Hey there, fellow kitchen adventurers. Ever thought pork chops were just meh? Well, buckle up because we're about to turn that thought on its head with our easy-baked pork chops. Imagine the juiciest, most flavor-packed pork chops that even a kitchen newbie could master. We're not just cooking today, we're transforming a humble pork chop into a culinary rock star. Let's roll up our sleeves and get this pork party started. First thing first, you're gonna crank up your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about the stars of our show. I'm using boneless pork chops. They're about 3/4 to an inch thick. Thicker pork chops are more forgiving when you're cooking them. They provide a larger window of time in which that pork can get to that proper temperature without overcooking. Let's give these beauties a spot treatment by putting a little bit of olive oil on each one and rubbing that in, making sure to get both sides. That's simple enough, and now they're ready to get tan. But let's whip up our secret ingredient, the seasoning. Grab a bowl and mix in 2 teaspoons of salt. If you need to use less salt, then you go right ahead. Adding to that salt, we're gonna give it 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. The final ingredient is 1 teaspoon of onion powder. This mix is like magic dust for our pork chops. Take your seasoning and season up all sides of the pork chops. Make sure you get those edges as well. No piece unfinished. It's seriously that simple to make amazing pork chops. All they need is a little bit of time in the oven. So into the oven they go for 15 to 20 minutes. What you're looking for on your pork chops is an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If they're extra thick, it's obviously gonna take a little bit longer. Once they're finished cooking, they're ready to steal the spotlight. Serve them hot and watch them disappear from the plates. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.